This is a 1987 Hsing 12-inch oscillating fan, model KSD1158. I have a video of this fan already, but in that video the fan had a horrible bearing rattle. It was almost unbearable to use. Since that video, I've taken the whole fan apart again. I cleaned it up a lot better, so it looks a lot better now. And I took the whole motor apart, and I replaced the oil in the bearings with some premium high-pressure grease, so it made the bearings much tighter and less slop in them, so the bearing rattle is now gone, and the fan is usable now, and I've actually been using it because it runs great, and it looks really good too. The thing looks like a brand new fan still, nothing yellowed out anywhere. All the plastic's in perfect condition. It's not brittle anywhere, there's no rust on the grills, the blades are perfectly shiny with no scratches. You know, it's just a great fan overall. And it oscillates nice and smooth, and it actually has a very wide path of oscillation compared to normal fans. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.